Come make a hearty stew for me and my family of 6. Let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. And all these groceries came from Publix. They have really good, fresh things. At the time, I had Instacarted and they didn't have any more fresh vegetables. So some I got canned vegetables, and that is okay. You can use whatever it is you need or whatever it is that you have available. So now I'm putting the pizza in the oven because these kids are ready to eat right now. And right now, the film you see, the water is starting to boil. Since we're cooking on gas, it's taking a little while longer, but that's okay.
Are you gonna cut those?
You're gonna cut too.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna cut them with you.
That's right. So you pop it out. Look good to you? Look good to me too. Okay, let Daddy show you. An easier way. Just use this right here. Look, just cut it like this.
Daddy's a good teacher.
Yeah, Daddy is a good teacher.
Yeah, my papa teaches some kind of classes at North Carolina. He teaches too.
Yeah, he sure does. Sure, but we have to wash them first.
All right.
Put them in the sink. We gotta wash them. We can't.
Why are they so fluffy? Give them to me. Give them to me. He said put them in the sink.
That's how they grow. Yeah, okra. You ever had any?
No. Why are they just so fluffy all the...
Can you wash them for me?
Uh-huh.
Come on, Miles.
I put it into mine.
I don't. Well, Daddy loves them, and I love them too. So there's a couple of things. We're gonna cook it right now with our beef to get the special taste.
This is so fun. Thank you.
Oh. I'm glad y'all like it.
And I'll let you have one of my cookies. What's that smell?
This. Move this off.
I can cook popcorn.
Really?
Yeah, I can make it.
Like do it, cut it like that.
Well, Mom, you're pushing my fingers too hard down there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let's do this one.
Okay.
And I'll do this one.
So now y'all gonna be able to know how to cook stuff too, because guess what? I'm gonna have to teach you.
Yeah, you do.
Don't need to know the empties.
Is it gonna taste good if we eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Is it gonna taste like an apple?
No.
No, what is
When-
it? Good job.
You can pretty much put any vegetable that you want in it, and it'll be good.
So we can't put
So it's
no
really,
broccoli?
well, I didn't buy any broccoli, but maybe next time. It's really your choice. Whoever's cooking is your choice.
What's about Daddy makes food for us?
He did?
Yeah.
It's delicious?
Yeah.
Daddy can cook so good.
He can cook chicken real good. He can cook pizza real good. And pancakes. Can Daddy cook really good, Mama? Can Daddy cook gooder than you?
So some things y'all didn't see. I had some chicken that I washed and I boiled for a few hours until it was so soft that it was falling apart. And then I also had that already in the big pot to cook. I also added some tomato paste. The seasonings I used were thyme, sage, rosemary, salt, pepper, and a few crushed red pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So all you have to do is put it in a bowl, add a couple crackers, and you have you a nice meal for your family. And it's great for big families. As you see, we are super busy, so chef's kiss. We ate on this for a few days. Like, it's a lasting meal. Say bye. Bye. All my little chefs. All my little chefs and chefettes.
I'm a chef.
You are a chef. You help me cook.
We're gonna do it every day for y'all.
You want to cook with me every day?
Uh-huh.
What kind of things y'all want to cook?
Potatoes. Too. Yeah, we want to do the same thing that we did yesterday.
You do.
And with
So, potato cutter over here.
me?
Mm-hmm. But everybody did so good. All right, guys. Good soup for a cold snow day.
Good cooking.
All right, everybody say bye.
It's about 3 hours for the stew to cook. You know, the meat is done when it's falling apart on its own. You just add everything in a big pot, let it cook down. Add the okra last because that cooks really quickly. So yeah, you'll have a delicious meal, trust me. We ate this for days.